Here is my honest review of the Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is a BB cream. So it's supposed to be like a concealer, SPF 20. Let me go ahead and read because it does have a 4-in-1 product. So concealer, foundation, SPF 20, and a moisturizer. I'm actually wearing it right now. I have it in 2 colors. So this is the medium one. And then I actually used, and I'm currently wearing that one. This is in the light cool. So I felt that that was like actually like a natural color that just basically looks really good. I tried it on and I'm actually wearing it right now. It felt super lightweight when I tried it. I'll go ahead and post a video here of me putting it on. So I just kind of like use it. It comes in a little pump like this. So I just kind of like pumped it around my face, on my forehead, on my chin a little bit, and then just started blending it out with the beauty blender. I like the size of the pump. I'm gonna go ahead and let me see if I could show you what the consistency looks like. So I just kind of got to pump it. It's pretty new, so it doesn't, there we go. So that is what it looks like. It's very lightweight. I did like that. It was very lightweight, but it's also creamy. So I did like the consistency and the coverage. As you can see, I'm putting it right here and it's like really, really nice. It actually covered up. I have redness around my nose and around like my cheeks, and it actually did a really good job with coverage. So again, I do like that it's a 4-in-1. It is a concealer, foundation, SPF 20, so it's going to cover you from any sun or ray damage, and then also has a moisturizer. So overall, if you're looking for a good quality foundation, do not sleep on this. This is an amazing product. I definitely liked it, and I like the way that it felt on my skin. It does not feel cakey, it doesn't feel heavy, very, very lightweight, just giving me that natural glowy finish. So I would definitely recommend this product.